I'd like to demonstrate how to change the wax filter on an in-the-ear style of hearing aid. Your provider should have given you a set of wax filters at your fitting appointment, and they will be a specific size and shape per your brand of hearing aid. In this case, the wax traps come on a scallop tool. You'll remove one of the thumbtacks. One half of the thumbtack is a removal tool. The other half is the new wax filter. You would then insert the removal tool into the opening of the original wax trap and pull. You'll expose the open hearing aid at that point. Make sure it looks clean as well. Flip the tool to the longer half of the wax filter. That's the new one. Insert it into the opening and release. Throw out the old one and you're ready to go.